Hey everyone, it's Marci Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel today. So we are going to be doing March setups today. I'm super excited. I loved my Valentine's Day setup. I thought it was super cute and had a lot of fun just looking at all of the pink clips and everything. But we are going to do March setups, and I happen to love March because 2 of my babies were born in March, and my husband and I happened to get married in March. So we have 3 celebratory things this month, and on top of that, it's my dad's birthday, and then I have a couple other family birthdays within this month. So it is a busy month for us. But with that being said, we are going to just jump right into this video and start redecorating it. Let's see. I know I have some, I think I want to use this one. I have some birthday clips for this month that I'm going to be using. So I think this one will be cute because it's a little cupcake cup. So maybe what I have can go with that. All right, so let's plug that in there. And then we will start with the other clips. So here are my cute little birthday clips. So I just have a birthday cake because that's adorable. And then this clip is a rainbow. It resembles Livy's birthday because she is my rainbow baby. And then this dinosaur here resembles my son because he has always had a passion for dinosaurs and secretly still does, even though he's turning 13. So I will definitely be using these 3 clips for that. And then I also have some birthday die cuts, which I will pull those out in a minute. I am going to put some of these clips back. Okay, so I am going to be removing some of my die cuts because, again, I have birthday die cuts. So, removing all of that, let's look at what birthday die cuts I have and see how I can use them. This pack was a birthday pack purchased from Joann's, and I just laminated them all. That is super cute. Maybe just a single one. For Let's Party. Today's the day. Just cute little, all kinds of birthday gear. That'll be cute with happy birthday sticking up right there. I love this little Let's Party. Oh, it's too big. Maybe something like that, you guys. Too tall. I might just put my flowers back. I like something right there to cover my card. Okay, so let's start with that and see how it goes. Normally I do my clips first. Okay. Maybe I want this one in the middle. So, Livy's birthday is on the 30th. Blake's birthday is on the 6th, and our anniversary, which we are celebrating 16 years, is on the 31st. So I am super excited. I think we got some gift cards for Topgolf for Christmas. So I believe the plan is we're gonna do a birthday party for each of them. But then as our little family date, we're gonna just go have a great time at Topgolf together. I can't remember if our anniversary falls on the weekend, but that's when we're planning on doing it. So now I just get to fill it with cute, fun things. So I will do that. Maybe, oh, and I gotta do honey because it's our anniversary. And that looks pretty cute like that, maybe with something right up there. Maybe I'll do her. I haven't used her, I don't think. Wow, guys, I think this turned out really easy this time. I love that. Maybe a Let's Party. Okay, you guys, so this turned out really cute, I think. What do you guys think? That was super fast. I think that turned out really cute. Unless I do like a bow up here. Like, I think I like the coffee better. I could do the bow down here. I think I like this because it covers up a little bit more. Yep. All right, you guys. Maybe I put this bow here. Okay, so there it is. Where do I put this like that? That looks very cute. Okay, I like it. Okay, so there we go. Looks super cute. It's not as busy as normal. I guess it is, they're just clear behind. But okay, so moving on. I have this doll, my calendar, my YouTube, which I will grab a new calendar here. These are from Minted Sugar. I love it because it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are little on the sides. So I'm just going to cut slits. Put it in here like so. March. I will fill that in later. So then I have my calendar, notes, more notes. I'm gonna remove this. Let me see, where are my dashboards? I originally made this for my birthday list because it kind of looked like a gift wrapped present there. Then I have all of my birthdays, which I have to print a new one. I realized I had a typo in there. Okay, so then I have groceries, which I need to add a new one. Oh, I didn't think those were cut. They are. Oh, and you guys, I am working on all of my planner inserts that I created myself. I am working on getting those set up in my Etsy shop. Right now, I just have my budgeting ones done. And anyways, my Etsy shop is called RustyBlondeDigitals. So, and then moving on to this section here, this is all of my wallet section. I do a cash wallet system. It's a budgeting program, which I learned through Dave Ramsey, and it's been working great so far. I do want to add something here. Maybe I'll add her. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so now I'll have her, and then groceries, household, pets, beauty, clothing, commission, gifts, and fun. And I am getting ready to, I went to the ATM, got all my cash, so I will be doing a budget video next. But then here I have all of my gift cards, which that's blank, which means I've used some. So I'll have to go through and fix that. And then my emergency contact list I keep back here. So you guys, there you have it. I think that's turned out really cute. I'm super excited for March. Yeah, I get to celebrate my babies and I love doing that. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it down below and I will get to them as soon as I can. And yeah, stay tuned for my budget video, which will happen next. Okay guys, take care. Bye.